Welcome back to Learning Spanish with Words. Today, we're diving into another set of simple, everyday vocabulary. And this time, we're converting English words beginning with the letter I into Spanish. It's a quick, clear way to build your confidence and grow your vocabulary, one letter at a time. Let's get started and learn some new Spanish words together. Instead, mejor, mejor. Issue, tema, tema. Include, incluir, incluir. Increase, aumentar, aumentar, or incrementar, incrementar. Income, ingreso, ingreso. Indicate, indicar, indicar. Industry, industria, industria. Inform, informar, informar. Ingredient, ingrediente, ingrediente. Initial, inicial, inicial. Ink, tinta, tinta. In, posada, posada. Inner, interior, interior. Input, entrada, entrada, or aporte, aporte. Inquiry, consultar, consultar. Insert, insertar, insertar. Insist, insistir, insistir. Inspect, inspeccionar, inspeccionar. Install, instalar, instalar. Instant, instante, instante. Instrument, instrumento, instrumento. Insurance, seguro, seguro. Insect, insecto, insecto. Inside, adentro, adentro. Interviews, entrevista, entrevista. In front of, delante, delante. In fact, de hecho, de hecho. And finally today, invoice, factura, factura. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Thank you for watching and learning with me today. That's the letter I. I'm sure we'll be coming back another day with some more English words beginning with the letter I converted to Spanish. Please remember, if you like the channel, please subscribe and give it a tick, give it a like, and you can always send some comments, and if they're not very nice, I'll delete them. Anyway, thanks for watching and listening. See you again. Bye-bye.